If you're a passionate angler or love outdoor adventures like camping, mountaineering, or hiking, having the right gear makes all the difference. From ultralight reels and line winders to powerful bite alarms and multifunctional tools, we've compiled the top 7 must-have gear you need in your arsenal. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7, Outdoor Folding Chair. Designed for mountaineering, fishing, and outdoor leisure, this multifunctional portable chair is more than just a seat. It comes with an insulated backpack, making it incredibly convenient for carrying drinks, bait, or snacks. The folding design makes it highly portable, and it's built to endure rugged outdoor environments. Whether you're hiking into a remote fishing spot or setting up camp by a lake, this chair ensures comfort and utility in one go. Perfect for fishers who love to travel light but don't want to compromise on function or relaxation. Number 6, Wireless Bite Alarm. Never miss a bite again with this wireless fishing alarm set. It includes 1 receiver and 4 bite alarms, each marked 1 through 4 for easy tracking. The set comes with 4 LED swing indicators in red, yellow, blue, and green, plus 4 additional sinkers for precision. Each alarm features adjustable sensitivity, volume, and tone, along with a rubberized finish and a high-output speaker. The LED lights latch for 40 seconds, making it easy to identify bites even at night. The low battery signal is a helpful touch, ensuring your gear is always ready. Comes neatly packed in an EVA carry case, perfect for organized travel. Number 5, Sougayilang Fishing Reel. This ultralight bait casting reel delivers precision and performance for serious anglers. Featuring a 7.2-to-1 gear ratio and maximum drag of 8 kilograms, it's built for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Constructed with aluminum alloy and graphite side covers, the reel also boasts a CNC machine spool and a clicker system for action control. Its lightweight body at just 204 grams makes it easy to handle, while the brass gear ensures durability and smooth operation. Whether you're casting from a boat or fishing from shore, this reel delivers powerful control and a satisfying catch rate. Number 4, Booms Fishing Pliers. These multifunctional stainless steel pliers are a must in any tackle box. They function as scissors, hook removers, and split ring openers, handling a range of tasks with ease. Made from 420-grade stainless steel, they're corrosion-resistant and come with a coil lanyard for added safety. The scissor-like design offers precision for cutting braid, mono, or even small wire. Perfect for removing hooks from smaller fish. This tool saves you time and frustration out on the water. Number 3, Fishing Line Winder. Say goodbye to tangled lines and uneven spools with this portable fishing line winder. Built with composite fiber and a corrosion-resistant steel shaft, it's lightweight yet sturdy. The anti-skid rubber pad helps fix the device securely, while the adjustable friction knob ensures a clean, tension wind every time. Whether you're using a spinning or bait casting reel, this tool makes rewinding line faster and hassle-free, especially useful when you're preparing at home or on the go. Number 2, Double Spring Holder. This automatic fishing rod holder is a game changer. Made from anti-rust stainless steel, it's fitted with a double spring mechanism that snaps to attention the moment a fish bites. Number 1, Fishing Gloves Protection. Safety is often overlooked, but these sting-proof, cut-resistant gloves offer much-needed protection. Whether you're handling hooks, sharp fins, or slippery fish, these gloves are designed to protect your hands from cuts, stabs, and stings. They're anti-skid, making it easier to hold fish or gear securely, especially in wet conditions. Ideal for anglers who deal with aggressive species or work in rugged environments. These gloves give you the confidence to fish fearlessly and handle your catch with ease. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.